All right, we are opening a Mega Evolutions ETB today. All right, this ought to be fun. Mega Evolutions, pitch black, new product. We stood and waited at Best Buy today for this. Only $50, so pretty awesome. You guys excited?
Dad, can I look at the
Let's see, this is actually my first ETB
Dad,
ever.
can I just hold the coin?
Yeah, man, of course. Hang on.
Can I have that book?
Buddy, please, guys. Please, guys. All right, let's see. ETB. All right, here we go. These are penny sleeves, actually, which is pretty cool. So we can use these on some of the hits, which is cool. We got the promo. That's awesome. See that? That's pretty cool, huh?
Who's keeping that?
That's a promo.
What's promo?
That means, and then here's the energies. No, yeah, you can, buddy, go.
Okay.
All right, and then here's the coin.
Can I keep the coin? Can I make up the coin?
Yeah, and then here's some dice, some battle
Why
dice.
can't I keep that coin?
Here you go. That's for
You
you.
said I could keep it. What? No.
I didn't say you can keep it. I didn't say he could keep it either. He said he wanted to look at it, son. All right, now what we're here for, the important part. Let's see the packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs here. All right, so we were just at a friend's house doing an opening, and somebody pulled the Mega Dark Rye, which is the top chase in this product.
I
So
want to hold it.
I'm excited to see what we get
Isn't he
here.
like 5 years old?
Who, Liam?
Yeah.
Liam is 6, I think. All right, here we go. Let's fly through this. We know where the hits are. Cool artwork here, though. Reverse.
You have to give
Hey!
the coin back.
Laurantis
Hey,
EX.
I
Put that
have
in a penny
that card.
sleeve.
Hey, I have that card.
You have that card?
Yeah.
Very cool, man.
I have that one.
You have it right there, Matt. Show him.
You got it in there? Yeah. The boys ripped some packs today. Let's put that in front. Here we go. All right. Energy. Golden.
Now, why can't we keep this coin?
This seems to have a pretty good hit rate, these boxes. What do you think? Oh, that's cool. That's hollow. Hey, another one. What's that? Mega Dolphix EX. Leave that one up too, buddy.
Dad, why
2
can't
packs,
Dad,
2
why
pretty
can't I
nice
keep
hits.
this
We're looking for some
coin?
illustration
Dad, why
rares.
can't I keep this coin?
We'll talk about it after, buddy, okay?
Okay.
We'll talk about it after.
Why can't he keep what?
This
All
coin.
right.
This one has one of these.
I wanted it. I
There we
already
go.
have a Pokemon coin.
Armor fossil.
I want
Scammery.
a
Guys, we're going to stop talking about the coin now, okay? Thank you. Let's see here. Delmas, Finizen, Brioni, and Quariodon. Quariodon? That's a weird one, huh?
Hey, that one's shiny. Corona.
It is?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
But
Throw those packs on the ground, Grayson. You're good. All right, here we go. Yep, those are the hollows. Those are the reverse hollows. All right. This is a fun box, though. Huh? Do you guys like the artwork?
yeah.
I do like the artwork. There's that Toucanon map, kind of like yours, just not as cool.
Yeah.
Mav got the EX of that today.
Not the
Ship
extra
it.
artwork.
So, oh yeah, that's cool. That's a nice hollow. I thought he got, no. Oh, he did get the rare. He got the illustration rare. Right? Is that what he got? Mav got the illustration rare. 2 cannon. That's pretty cool. It's over here. He's got it in his. All right. Let's see what we got here. We got a handful left.
I got an art card too. Illustration or whatever it is.
Slowbro. I love Slowbro. Such a cool art. Tropius. Poly something. Spirit. Tomb. All right. Let's see here. Man, these are so much more difficult to open than baseball or football. All right. Come on. What do you guys think? You think we're going to hit a big card?
Yeah.
Let's hit something big. Let's hit something big. That would be cool. I just want an illustration rare. That's all. Slowbro again. That's cool. Hey, that's a pretty one, isn't it? Hey, illustration rare. We'll do a live comp on that here in just a second. We'll check out the price on that. Go ahead, buddy. That's a beautiful card, though, isn't it? All right, go ahead here. Put that on
Is
a.
that card shiny?
Put that in a sleeve. Yeah, that's an illustration rare. Man. That's a cool.
I like my illustration here the most because of the fire.
Yeah, that's a cool one, man. What was yours called again? Because Mav got an illustration rare too.
He got the toucan one.
No, he got an actual illustration rare. This guy. Gladion's Final Battle. That's a cool card.
Let me see one.
Mav, you did good, buddy. That's some nice ones. Hey, there's another one of yours. It's just not the cool one. Misty's Vitality. Tremendous Bomb. There's that reverse hollow you got. Maradion. Oh yeah, that's a cool one. I forgot that. Armorogue. Grayson got this one out of his booster today, out of his booster bundle. Oh yeah, and traded for that Mega Charizard, Charizard EX, sorry. All right, 2 more packs, guys.
Yeah.
2 more. Been a cool, good opening so far, though.
Oh, you threw it up.
Whoop, let's put that up front. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got here. Bronzer, Primeape, Trumbo. There's Misty's Vitality again. There's Relicanth. Hey, that's cool. Reverse Hollow Slowbro. Slowbro's cool looking, isn't he? Hey, another EX.
Oh, that's one of the featured Pokemon cards.
Is it really?
Yeah, look. See, look, him right there.
Oh, very cool, man. Here, why don't you look him up in the book? Try to find him. Penny sleeve that up, and then I'll give you the book to look him up. Penny sleeve him up first, and then I'll give you the book.
How'd you find a card that has the wrapper on it?
That's, oh yeah, look at that. There he is.
Yeah, see? I told you.
Yeah,
How'd you find
that's
that
cool,
card?
man.
He's one of the featured new ones.
I need to know, I gotta try to learn more about Pokemon. I just like the vintage stuff, but this is fun though. And it's fun to do with friends, right?
Yeah.
That was a cool one. All right, here we go. Mabostiff, Electrike. That's a cool one, isn't it now?
Yep.
Slowpoke.
See, look, here he is again.
Wow, there we go. Lampet, Jet, Delmice,
Right here, see?
Scammery,
Him right here.
and Blastodon. Nice. Very cool, man. So what is that? A double rare? Here, I guess. Let me see those. We'll go through the hits from the pack.
It has a red square
Let me see
instead of
those.
blue or black.
These are cool though. Very cool pulls from this ETB. So we got the Mega Chandelier EX, Lurantis EX, and the Mega Delphox EX. Very cool. And then where was that? No, we had another one too. Here we go. Here's the illustration rare. Fomantis. Very cool.
Dad, who's keeping this?
Oh yeah, and then the promo. I don't know what the promos are going for. We'll have to look, and we'll pop it up on the screen. So I'll try to add the some comps here. I mean, it's hard to comp these right there.
The promos are not good. Can I keep
The promos are good. I'll try to add some recent comps. I know that just came out. So, anyways, y'all have a good night.
What?